Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix can't follow people on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first thing first, what you want to do is head over to the application TikTok, enter the login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. In order to fix the issue, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll down at the option of Free Up Space. Head over to it. Here, what you want to do is, you have to clear the cache of this application. Well, clearing the cache might fix the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is, go back and scroll all the way down. Tap on Report a Problem. Once again, scroll all the way down and click on Chat with Us. It will open the customer service of TikTok. In this section, you have to state the problem that you have been facing. So let me enter, I can't follow people on TikTok, and then send it. Within a second, they will send you the solution effect. You have to read all of this guidance and then follow it. And also you want to make sure that your application is up to date. If not, you then head over to your App Store and then update it. So that's basically how you can fix can't follow people on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.